Hello guys, in this video we are going to unbox the MX Keys Mini keyboard from Logitech. So this is the box as it comes. As you can see, it's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS, iOS, Linux, Chrome OS and Android. And here are some of the features, but let's jump into it and see it. Okay, so here is the keyboard. Let's see the box first. So here are some instructions for setting up the keyboard. You just turn it on, you connect it with your computer. You should use the MX setup logi.com feature. If you already have other MX series Logi products, you can just connect it to your Logi account there. And as you can see, you can switch between 3 different devices. So you can connect it to multiple devices and use it accordingly. Let's see what we got here. Some paperwork and the charging cable, which is USB-A to USB-C, which means that you don't really need the cable because you can charge it with your MacBook cable, charging cable, or iPad, or really any Windows laptop, because almost all of them use USB-C, so you don't have to carry an extra charging cable. Okay, so it comes in this paper bag. It's quite heavy because the frame is aluminium. Let's unwrap. Here is a little note card. Create the ultimate setup, of course. And here is the keyboard. This is the white version, if you didn't see. And this is the back. This is the charging port. You can charge it here. And this is the turn on switch. Let's turn it on. Let's see if it has any charge. I'm not sure if it has. No, probably it's dead. But let's listen to the keyboard. How does it sound? It's very sturdy, very tough and quite heavy. The angle is quite comfortable, and I like the little holes on the keys. It's a very nice touch. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.